Hello friends, this is Vittal. In this video, we are going to see the appreciation of class 10th English poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी विठ्ठल. या व्हिडिओमध्ये आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजीमधील रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट यांच्या स्टॉपिंग बाय वूड्स ऑन अ स्नोई इव्हिनिंग या कवितेचे अप्रिशिएशन म्हणजेच रसग्रहण पाहणार आहोत. SSC बोर्डाच्या इंग्लिश ॲक्टिव्हिटी शीट अर्थात कृतीपत्रिकेतील प्रश्न क्रमांक 3B मध्ये नमूद केलेल्या 5 मुद्द्यावर आधारित ह्या कवितेचे अप्रिशिएशन आपण बघणार आहोत. चला तर मग सुरू करूया. लेट्स स्टार्ट. 3.3 स्टॉपिंग बाय वूड्स ऑन अ स्नोई इव्हिनिंग. पॉईंट 1 टायटल अर्थात कवितेचे नाव किंवा शीर्षक. The title of the poem is Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. Point 2 Poet. कवीचे नाव. The poem is written by Robert Frost. Point 3 Rhyme scheme. यमक योजना. The rhyme scheme of the first 3 stanzas is AABA and in the last stanza it is AAAA. Point 4 Figures of speech. Friends, remember that here you are expected to write only one example of figure of speech. मित्रांनो, लक्षात ठेवा, परीक्षेमध्ये या मुद्द्यासाठी केवळ एक शब्दालंकाराचे उदाहरण लिहिणे अपेक्षित आहे. चला तर मग बघूया. नंबर 1 इन्व्हर्शन. एक्झाम्पल, whose woods these are, I think I know. Here the word order should be I think, I know whose woods these are. Number 2 alliteration. Example, the woods are lovely, dark and deep. Here the letter D or the sound D is repeated in the same line at the beginning of the words. Number 3 repetition. Example, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Here the group of words is repeated one after another. Number 4 personification. Example, my little horse must think it queer. In this example, the animal has given human quality or characteristic of thinking like a man. Point 5 theme or central idea. कवितेचा आशय किंवा मध्यवर्ती कल्पना. The theme of the poem is that though the speaker of the poem is fascinated with the beauty of nature, he cannot stay at one place. The dark and deep woods symbolize the mystery of life. The poet says that he has to do many things that he has promised to do before his retirement of his day or career, or maybe before his death. Friends, if the video is really useful to you, please subscribe the channel. मित्रांनो, व्हिडिओ जर उपयोगी वाटला असेल तर सबस्क्राइब करायला मात्र विसरू नका. Thanks for watching.